Hi, I'm Ava Wolf, and I'm an MBA for Executives student at the UCI Merage School of Business. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Airwolf 3D. My husband and I started the company, and we did not work in manufacturing. He was a patent attorney, and I was in municipal bonds. So we were, like desk professionals. So we learned how to roll up our sleeves, and we learned about manufacturing. And when we did that, we decided that we wanted to grow manufacturing in the US. So that means providing our youth with training opportunities, with project-based learning opportunities here at the company, and providing the next generation of young professionals with skill sets necessary for the jobs of tomorrow. One of the great projects that I'm working on right now is we are attempting to 3D print Braille books. I was having lunch with an old friend, and she's a special needs teacher. And I said, Laura, how do you teach, blind children to read? And she said, it's very easy. We have picture books, and then I have a machine, and the machine spits out a little plastic, decal that I put on there, and the decal has the Braille. And I said, that's awesome, Laura, but how does the child experience the image on that page? And she said, well, you just don't get to. She goes, there are a few books on the market. They're very expensive, so it's cost prohibitive for us to fill a library up with tactile books. I said, there's got to be a better way. And that's when the light bulb went off. And I said, I know. We will try 3D printing the Braille pages. So we've been 3D printing the pages, and they're going to go to about 10 Braille institutes throughout the US. And what I'm doing is I'm taking what I've learned at the Merage School of Business to calculate and tabulate all of the findings from all the data that I'll be collecting from the different institutes to determine what the optimal settings are for these Braille pages. Sometimes people ask us, why are you going back to school now? I mean, you have a successful business, you're doing well, you look like you're having a lot of fun, you already have your bachelor's degree. But if you're not going to school right now and taking a break in your professional career to go back to get your master's, then you're kind of standing still and you're kind of letting everybody run ahead of you.